let's unbox some Chanel. I just bought Chanel's 31 The Rouge. Let's open it. Wow, I love this packaging already. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. This lipstick is made of gloss and it smells vintage. It's got the Chanel logo right over there. So luxurious. This is by far the most expensive lipstick I own. So I got mine in the color 16 Rouge Talsman. Should we try it? It's a satin finish. The best thing about this lipstick, you don't throw away the glass case. It's refillable. Worth the money. Also comes with a lipstick pouch. Stunning. It's perfect to protect your very expensive Chanel lipstick.